목소리의 악센트로 한국인과 일본인을 구별할 수 있다는데요. 이 쇼의 최애 친구가 한국인이라는데 들어보시죠.
My best friend growing up was Korean. I remember the first time I went to his house. So I was like, Dad, just want to know if you're hungry. Koreans sound like Asian ghosts. Oh, sorry. What? Japanese man talks. It come from diaphragm.
다이어프램은 횡격막으로 복식호흡을 얘기하는 거예요.
Japanese man. Japanese woman years old or 75 years old. They always sound 12 years old. Okay, let's go.